Welcome to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lecture we have seen some tricky questions on time and distance aptitude concept. In this video also we are going to see some advanced level questions which were asked in previous years. So let us move to question number 8. Ramesh and Suresh travel from a point P to Q which is at a distance of 42 kilometers with speeds 6 km per hour and 8 km per hour respectively. After some time, Suresh reaches Q and met Ramesh in return journey at particular point R. Find the distance between P and R. So, speed of Suresh is 8 km per hour, so he can reach point Q early. And what he does, he returned from point Q and met Ramesh at point R. So we need to find the distance between P and R. So what is the distance covered by Ramesh in this period of time? Let us say distance covered by Ramesh is X, and what is the distance between P and Q? P and Q is 42 kilometers. So what is the distance between R and Q? R and Q is nothing but 42 minus X. Okay, this is the observed data from this question. So entire thing happened in same interval of time. So let us consider that time T. So time taken by Ramesh to reach particular point R is nothing but a distance traveled by Ramesh, that is X, by what is the speed of Ramesh? 6 km per hour. In same time, Suresh reaches point Q and started return journey. So total distance covered by Suresh is what? So he covered entire 42 kilometers and he covered 42 minus X distance. So total distance covered by Suresh is 42 plus 42 minus X. So that is 84 minus X distance he has covered in that particular interval of time. So what is the time T for Suresh? That is 84 kilometer minus X kilometer by how many kilometer per hour? Suresh speed is 8 km per hour. So time T and these two are equal. Entire thing happened in same interval of time. So let us equate this to find out the unknown value of X. So X by 6 equal to 84 minus X by 8. So if we cross multiply that 8X equal to 6 into 84 minus 6X. So which will be 14X equal to 6 into 84. Okay, X will be 6 into 84 by 14. How much? That is 6 times. So X is 36. Okay, X is 36 kilometers. So the distance traveled by P, the distance traveled by Ramesh in that particular interval of time is 36 kilometers, which is nothing but a distance between points P and R. Okay, let us move to next question, friends. So this is also similar kind of question, and this question also previous year question. So the question will be: a police saw a thief at a distance of 50 meters and he started chasing the thief who is running at speed of 2 meters per second with speed of 4 meters per second. Then find the distance covered by thief before he got caught. So and police started chasing the thief with 4 meter per second, and he got the thief. The speed of thief is given, that is 2 meter per second. Entire thing happened in particular interval of time. So let us draw the simple diagram to understand this scenario. So distance between the police and thief is 50 meters, and he traveled some further distance x in particular interval of time with speed of 2 meter per second. So we need to find out this particular x. So entire thing happened in same interval of time. So let us write down the equation for time. If thief covered x meters, so the time taken to cover x meters is x by speed is 2 meter per second. Similarly, for police, what is the distance covered by police? The 50 meters plus x. So 50 plus x by speed of police is 4 meter per second. So these two are the different cases. One is for thief and one is for police. According to the question, entire thing happened in same interval of time. So we can easily get unknown value x by equating these two. So let us equate those two. X by 2 equal to 50 plus x by 4. So 4x equal to 50 plus x into 2. So 4x equal to 100 plus 2x. 2x equal to 100 and x equal to 50. So simple trick, friends. In same interval of time the entire thing happened. So we just equated the time taken for two different cases. We just took equation of time taken from case 1, and case 1 is nothing but thief, and case 2 is nothing but this policeman. We just equated this time to get the unknown value x. So this is very simple question, friends. If you are familiar with this kind of problems, you can directly come to this particular equation to get the end answer. Okay, in previous question also the entire scenario was drawn in single particular diagram, and if you are familiar with this kind of questions, you can come to this particular step directly to get the unknown value x. So if you practice more and more problems, you'll get familiar with this kind of questions. Okay friends, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. And in next videos we are going to see problems on trains. So that is the just subtopic of time and distance. Okay, thank you friends.